It's day 5 of our 30 days decluttering challenge for highly successful homemakers, and today we are working in the linen closet to declutter sheets and towels. And if you look at my linen closet, it actually looks pretty good, but I do have some hidden clutter. It's my dirty little secret. Let me show you. This is my dirty little secret. This basket looks nice and neatly organized, but actually, there's lots of things in here, old towels and sheets that can really be decluttered. So I'm going to get these pulled out and we'll see what's what. And I don't like having this white towel right there. I just want them all brown. And here's the other thing. I have another drawer. Well, I've got some towels and sheets that I've put in a guest room so that I have extra linen for guests. But I probably don't need as many as I've got. So let's clear that out today as well. So I'm going to get everything out, and then we'll see what I'm keeping, what I'm decluttering, and what's going to be tossed. So let's get that started. Now this is a lot of linen for 2 people. I have 3 beds in the house, and I want to have at least 2 sets of sheets for each bed. And then when my kids are here, sometimes we have to make pallets for the girls downstairs on the living room floor. So I will keep extra sheets to do that. But I probably don't need as much as I've got here. So I'm going to start with the trash, and that means those sheets that are just old and discolored that really need to be tossed. I'm going to start there, and then I'm going to go to, well, what do I need to keep? I want to keep 6 sets of towels like this one for my husband, and then I have another one in the same color pattern but a little bit different color for myself, and then a few extra for company, and then we'll go from there. And then this one, I really don't care much for white towels, and I don't know why I ever bought these, but I do use them when I'm doing YouTube video and I want to show how to get towels white or clean or whatever, or they look nice when I'm making a nice little stack of towels like this or that kind of thing. So I will probably keep them because I do use them for YouTube, but I've got some other white towels that I may not. Oh, and of course they're beach towels. So let me quit talking and get to work. These are beach towels. we do go to the beach. These are some of the sheets I use for palettes. These towels go with my husband's bath set, so those are staying. These are staying, but do I need this? No. This is a mattress cover, don't need it. I have one on each bed, so I don't need a third one. So now, how many sheets do I need to make palettes? This is the set for CJ's bed when he's here. These are all the ones we need for palettes. Those can go. CJ's bed. Extra set for the guest room. I don't know where this came from. White pillowcase. This is what I'm keeping. Done. Now it's to put it back. This baby blanket is staying. It's a sweet memory item. And there. This is more than an ocean. There. I probably would have been better off filling the basket after I got it in there, but I wanted to know what was going to go back. So I just need to get that back in there. Justin's baby blanket. I think I'll put these bath mats on top because that's what I'll be reaching in here for most often, is swap out the bath mats. I can put them towards the back so they don't show. Woo! This is more than ocean. These bins have sheet sets in them. You've got the sheets, the pillowcases, it's the whole set. So when I'm ready to make a bed, I can just take the bin out and everything that I need for that bed is there. So there's 3 here, so there's 1 here for each of the beds, and there's a set on 2 of the beds, so I'm good to go. This is what I'm discarding, so I'll be making a visit to the animal shelter. Now my linen closet is all sorted out. Well, this was more than an ocean, but I am glad that I got it done. I will be putting that box of donatable items into the trunk of my car so that that part of the process is finished. I'll see you tomorrow for day 6 of the 30 Days Decluttering Challenge for Highly Successful Homemakers, when we take on the kitchen pantry. We'll be looking at decluttering expired foods and that kind of thing. So, see you tomorrow.